Minecraft block ASMR videos have been super popular lately, going pretty viral on TikTok and also on YouTube. And today I'm going to show you how you can make these kinds of videos really simply. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel if you found this helpful. What you need for this is a paid ChatGPT and also Gemini's Google AI Pro, so we can use VO3, that is Google's VO3. And right now, Google's VO3 is completely free for a month, so definitely go check it out. I'm not entirely sure if you can do this with the free version of GPT, but at least with the paid one you can. But we need to use this kind of prompt. I'll put that prompt in the video description, so all you have to do is go and copy it. But it's an English language prompt, and the only thing we need to change here is what kind of Minecraft block we want, whether we want just a regular block. Do we want, for example, a diamond block there, or what kind? Today I want a diamond block, so just change the block you want between these brackets and it will create a completely realistic image for us from which we can make a prompt and so on. Now it created a really realistic image for us, and in my opinion this is actually an insanely good looking picture. And next we're going to write a prompt like this so that we can make a perfect video for VO3. So can you make a clear and hyper-realistic prompt for VO3, where a knife slices a Minecraft block and the slices fall onto a cutting board? Let's put that in and see what kind of prompt we end up with. Now, we actually have something here that we can copy directly and go to VO3 with. If you need better help with making a YouTube channel like this, an anonymous YouTube channel, then you should check out the video description. I have this thing called Come Away Creator, where I personally help you create an anonymous YouTube channel all the way to earning ad revenue. Here's a bit more info about all the ways I can help you. And for every new member, we donate €2 to Millirai. You can find the link in the video description. So after that, we need to go to this labs.google.com/flow page and click on Create Flow. And as mentioned, all the links can be found in the video description. Just simply click on New Project, and since we already have the prompt conveniently copied, let's proceed to select Text to Video, then carefully paste the prompt in there, hit Enter, and patiently wait for VO3 to meticulously create the video for us. Then we will subsequently see what it actually looks like and how it performs. It might take a moment for it to generate the video for us, but man, I'm honestly really excited about VO3 now that it's available in Finland. And you can probably tell from the videos that I've made quite a few related to this. But hey, alright, it's just about ready now. Let's take a look. It always generates two different versions and they're 8 seconds long because VO3 can only make 8-second videos. But let's see what this first one is like. Let's check out the result. Okay, that's a bit weird. There's like 2 of those appearing on the table, but let's see what the second one is like. At least this one looks like, from this angle or perspective, maybe a bit better. Let's see what this looks like. Oh wow, this is so much better. I mean, this is so much better. Like, it's absolutely perfect. Definitely join Common Way Creator if you want more help with videos like this.